There are approximately 11.4 million undocumented immigrants in the U.S., but with our country's limited resources, it is nearly impossible to deport these immigrants out of the U.S. Also, deporting millions and separating them from their families would be cruel. Rather, we should focus on individuals who are the real threat to the well-being of America. Deportation should be aimed at undocumented immigrants with past criminal records such as gang and domestic violence, fraud, murder, possession of dangerous weapons, or assault. According to the Office of Immigration Statistics, out of the 188,382 deportations of undocumented immigrants in 2011, 20% had committed criminal traffic offenses. Also, the Center for Immigration Studies reported that more than 43,000 undocumented immigrants were convicted of drug offenses. These numbers do not include the number of those who were convicted with violent crimes such as robbery or sexual assault. Deporting these criminals will eliminate a number of problems for the federal government, which includes lowering the threats to the public safety and reducing overall federal spending on detaining and incarcerating these criminals. Furthermore, deportation should be aimed at undocumented families with no history of criminal records and only came to America with the hope to find a better life. As a leading nation and a country with a history of immigration, we should empathize and reach out. These people are not illegal aliens. They too have made valuable contributions to this country's economy. They took up jobs that no one wanted it, and in return, they only want a peaceful life with their families. And so it is only the right thing to do that we help these families stay together. Lastly, show your support for this policy by voting. Each and every one of your vote counts. Help make America to become a better country than it was yesterday.